The shell feature is used to generate thin-walled parts that are popular in plastic part design. Use the shell feature to create constant thickness walls from the original part geometry. Shell is an applied feature. It does not require a predefined sketch, but it does require geometry to be created first. Let's start with this fuel tank. First, we should identify the faces that should be opened up by the shell operation. One or more faces can be added to the selection box. Optionally, the hollow checkbox will create a part with no outside openings. Next, set the thickness value for the wall, which by default is to the inside of the part, or reversed so that the offset value of the wall is to the outside of the part. For thermoformed parts, multiple faces can be removed to create parts that look like this. Simply select multiple faces and you will see the constant wall part. For parts that are hollow with no outside openings, choose the hollow checkbox and choose the part body involved in the operation. The shell must be able to create walls that do not self-intersect to be successful. In this case, we should create the shell before adding the tabs on the outside that are highlighted in red.